Hi, this is Zak Mir from Master Investor with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Wednesday, the 1st of April. I'm starting off with Cloudbuy, where we can see that there's been a rebound off the floor of this falling trend channel from October. That's just below 20 pence. End of day close above the 50-day moving average at 25 pence. That's shown in blue, and that's a positive, and bounce in the RSI window as well for the oscillator just below the 50 level. So multiple positives there on the technical front. The idea here really is that over the next month the shares could spike towards the 200-day moving average, 32 pence, and possibly as high as the top of last year's price channel through 35 or 36 pence. Next up is China New Energy, where some people may be cautious with the China angle, the China name and the title, but at least from a technical point of view, we've seen yesterday's price action wholly above the 50-day moving average at 0.96 pence, and while we remain above that feature shown in blue, the view is that we could see progress towards the top of a January price channel as high as 1.35 pence over the next 4 to 6 weeks. Any dips towards the 50-day line regarded as a buying opportunity in the first instance, with early really back below this February support line, 0.9 pence, turning this situation outright negative. Fulham Shore is a stock which is new to the bulletin board heroes, but yesterday we saw price action wholly above the 50-day moving average at 14.39 pence. Above that on an end of day close basis, and we're looking at the possibility of a top of October price channel target towards 30 pence over the next 4 to 6 weeks. The RSI is very overbought, so any dips towards the 50-day line regarded as a buying opportunity in the first instance. Hotel Corporation, a stock which has been bubbling up and bubbling under over the last couple of sessions. A very strong end of day close above the 200-day moving average at 1.25 pence. And while we're above that, really, we're looking at a top of October price channel target as high as 2.3 pence over the next month or 6 weeks. Any dips towards the 200-day line regarded as a buying opportunity. Probably at this stage, only back below the 50-day moving average of 1.13 pence would be outright negative, or at least delay the upside scenario for any given period of time. Stock which is looking very encouraging from a technical point of view is Karelian Diamonds. Here we've got one of my favorite setups in the sense that there's been a gap through the 50-day moving average at 1 pence. That's shown here in blue. It's also a bounce off the floor of this rising trend channel from October last year. What's interesting here is that the shares try to fill the gap to go below 1 pence, but have failed to do so on a couple of sessions. Just bear trapped at the top of this gap around the 1.1 pence level. End of day close yesterday above the 200-day moving average of 1.28 pence, and really the view now is that we should at least retest this spike here towards 1.8 pence over the next week or two, with the best case scenario target here as high as 2.5 pence plus over the next month or so. At this stage, really only back below the 50-day moving average is regarded as outright negative. Stop loss probably towards 1.2 pence or just below, depending on risk appetite.